Yes. Good morning. Switch on the mic. For the record, your name is John Mbadi Ngongo.
Yes.
Is it Ngongo or Ngongo?
It's Ngongo.
Ngongo.
Yeah.
Correct.
Thank you.
And we all know you. You're still part of us. And until further notice. You're welcome to this committee, Committee on Confirmation Hearings or Vetting. I'm the Speaker of the National Assembly for the record. On my right is the Deputy Speaker, Gladys Boss. My left is the Clerk, Samuel Njoroge. I'll invite members to introduce themselves for the record.
Naisula Lesuda, MP Samburu West.
Kimani Shongo.
Junaid Mohammed.
Koech Nelson.
Kosi David.
Gikaria David.
Abdul Rahim Dawood.
George Gitonga Burgara. Owen Baya.
Robert Vui.
Stephen Munle.
Abdi Shurie. Balambala.
Mishimboko Pikoni.
Rehab Mukami.
Kaleba Saluti.
Now, Honorable Mbadi, welcome to this committee.
Thank you.
We know you are a serving member of Parliament and you have been in Parliament with all of us. I was with you in the
10th Parliament.
10th Parliament and you have been with all your colleagues here through the parliaments. Nonetheless, they will be asking you questions, difficult ones, easy ones. Your being a colleague will not prejudice their ability to assess your suitability to hold public office to which you have been nominated. And we'll start by asking you to take an oath. You may opt to use the Bible or the Quran, depending on your faith.
Use the Bible.
The Bible.
Yeah.
Be upstanding, take the Bible in your right hand, and recite the oath.
I, John Mbadi Ngongo, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matter and its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
You may sign the oath. Thereafter, you